Classify the equation as a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, or a hyperbola, then graph. The equation is 16x squared plus 4y squared equals 64. We have an x squared term and a y squared term. They are added together, so it's not a hyperbola. The coefficients are different, so we don't have a circle. Instead, we have an ellipse. So we've classified the equation. Now to graph it, let's write this in standard form. Let's divide each term by 64. That would give us x squared over 4 plus y squared over 16 equals 1. And then I'm going to write this again as x squared over 2 squared plus y squared over 4 squared equals 1. When the equation is written in this form, we can mark off a few points and sketch the ellipse pretty quickly. Looking at x squared over 2 squared, I'm going to mark negative 2 and positive 2 on the x-axis. Negative 2 and positive 2 on the x-axis. And on the y-axis, I'm going to mark negative 4 and 4, getting that from the 4 squared. And then I'm going to draw an ellipse through those points. And this is the graph of the ellipse 16x squared plus 4y squared equals 64.